So we have a bit of carpet here, which is the beeswax. So this has got a direction. So the direction, obviously, it's like that. It's the same as a herringbone or anything else, which we're going to show you in a second. Actually, these templates here haven't got no direction on at all, so which makes it a bit difficult to determine which way they will go over the tread at all. So what I'm going to do, bring you over here to another template that we've had that's been done correct when they've watched our video. So if you have a look here, so you can see this. Now this is a herringbone. So obviously, if the direction's not going right, it'll be going all different directions over the steps, which is not. So obviously, when the winding stairs, you need the carpet to turn with the stair. So if you see here, what they're doing, they put an arrow to work the direction. Then all I do is I split it, I tape it down, and I just make sure it's dead centre of the arrow. That will determine that that's going to be going correct way over the tread and the riser, no matter what happens on a winding stair.
Yeah.
And again,
it's always important to basically see the direction you're going and put an arrow on
the template itself.
And then you can cut it correctly.
Exactly. You may need to adjust it slightly, and again, the sides as well, which way up they are. The steps and that, because obviously we've never seen the steps, or we'd have to go back to videos, etc. It takes us more time, etc. So that is pretty much it. And again, look, we've got another, this is number 5. Again they've put the direction on this. So if you can, as you can see, if I get that set up properly there.
So just bend it so that we have a good idea about what that step's going to look like when you cut it. The board has got to go on it, obviously.
What do you mean?
So it looks like a step.
Oh, so that will sit over like that.
Take the template.
So again, it's hard to see it without being on a step, but then that will come round. So as you can see, so obviously that's the step. So that's probably going to be near enough correct, I would have thought. So as you can see, the pattern's still going straight onto the
next one will go up like that.
And as you can see here, that this is straight on the, well, ish. I mean, you will have to turn it a little bit, but if it's straight across the ball nose as well, then you know that it's going to be straight going down the riser.
Right. And then the next one goes on.
So on and so forth.
Right, okay.